Hello Vivekians, this is Sunaina and today I am going to teach you geography from your book Awareness Social Sciences by Suman Gupta. And all the in-between question answers of the explained pages will be provided to you on the school website.
So the first I want to tell you that what is geography?
So geography is a Greek word which is a combination of two words, that is geo and graphy. Geo means earth and graphy means to write. And geography is a subject in which we study about the physical features of the earth, that is the oceans of the earth, continents of the earth and all that. And it also tells that how people affect the environment in which they live. And next is, why do we study geography?
We study geography to understand where things are found, why they are there and how they develop. कि कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पाई जाती है, वहाँ क्यों पाई जाती है और ये कैसे develop होती है.
So with this, let us start with the second chapter of geography, that is globe, and this chapter will come in your cycle test 1. So these are the two pages which I am going to explain you today.
In this toy car, you can see that it has same steering wheel, same tires, windows like a real car. Or we can say that it is a small model of a real car.
Students, as we know that Earth is very big in size, and if we want to see how it looks like, we have to use its small model, which is called as globe. It shows us where there are rivers, oceans and land.
This is your globe, and students, here you can see that I have marked its top and bottom points with red circle. These are the points that denotes your North Pole and South Pole.
Children, you all may have seen that this spinning top, जिसे आप लट्टू कहते हो. जैसे इसके सेंटर में एक हैंडल है और ये इस पे रोटेट करता है. इन द सेम वे our earth rotate on its axis. And what is axis? It is an imaginary line that runs from north to the south pole. Now in this picture you can see that there are two white lines which are intersecting each other at 90 degree. Our earth axis is not straight like these two lines. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Like in this picture, the red line is your axis. So students, when we study globe, we find various vertical and horizontal lines around it. Like in this picture, these lines are forming a crisscross network which is called as grid system. The horizontal lines are your latitudes and the vertical lines are your longitudes. As I have shown you that the lines running vertically and horizontally on the globe are the imaginary lines which help us to locate places on the globe.
So first we have equator, which is an imaginary line. Guys, be careful that I have used the word imaginary, which means कि जो हमने imagine किया है ताकि हम अपनी अर्थ की स्टडी को ईजी कर सकें. This picture shows that the equator is running in the middle of the earth by dividing the earth into two equal hemispheres, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next we have some features of latitudes. First feature is that latitudes are the imaginary lines that are running parallel to the equator, and the second feature is that equator is the longest latitude. Students, you can see that the equator is running at the center of the earth, and all the orange lines running parallel to the equator are your latitudes. Here you can also see that all the latitudes are not equal in length. They are getting smaller and smaller as they move towards the poles. Third feature is that all the latitudes are marked in degrees. In this picture, yellow line drawn at the middle is your equator, which is at 0 degree, and the latitudes are moving from 0 degree equator to 90 degree North Pole and 0 degree equator to 90 degree South Pole, and it also shows that equator is taken as a starting point of all the latitudes. So as we have seen in the previous picture is that North Pole is at 90 degree north and South Pole is at 90 degrees south. In total we have 181 latitude, in which one is equator, 90 latitudes are in northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes are in southern hemisphere. So guys, then we have some important parallels of latitudes. So why they are called as important? As they divide the earth into different heat zones. So guys, here we have some important parallels of latitude. At 0 degree we have equator, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south, North Pole at 90 degree north, and South Pole at 90 degrees south. So this is all for today. So let us finish this lecture with this beautiful quote of Vivekanand ji, that everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Thank you everyone.